Good afternoon, YouTubers. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. Welcome to my channel. So today's afternoon special, I would like to make chicken tandoori. A chicken tandoori is starting marination. So I have added 1 teaspoon salt for 3 chicken thighs, right? And I added 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. I have crushed and added my pepper, so it give you a spicy taste. Now I'll give a mix, and for 5 to 10 minutes we'll let it rest with the mustard oil. I'll add the mustard oil. Now I'll be adding my mustard oil, because for tandoori the mustard oil is the main. So 2 big spoons are enough for 3 thighs. Oh, that really, the pepper and the salt and the mustard gives a really good smell. Remember not to add a lot, but yes, 2 spoons are enough. Let's give a mix. So right now it's mixed. We'll let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Salt, pepper and mustard oil. But today I'm making it special, so I'll be adding color, red color. I'll just dilute it in water and add red color. Now I added a little bit color, red color, food additive color, but I recommend you not to add color. Please use Kashmiri red chilies, because they naturally give the red tint for the tandoori chicken. Please do not use color at home. Please use Kashmiri chilies, because it's full red in color and it will just look as good as a tandoori, regular restaurant tandoori. Now I'll be making my homemade ginger garlic paste. So to make ginger garlic paste, you need around 15 garlic cloves. 15 garlic cloves, and the ginger is the size of my thumb, of your thumb size ginger for 15 garlic cloves, and obviously half lime to give us sour taste, and a teaspoon of salt is a need, pinch teaspoon, that's enough, and half cup of water. That's enough for your taste, and then get it grind. Right now I'll add my homemade ginger garlic paste. It's a little bit big chunks, but it is as I want. You'll add your 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon dry coriander powder, 1 spoon jeera powder, teaspoon, and then if you want it spicy, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Now these are all the garam masala I've added. Now the main thing, I have to mix it, give it a nice mix. Later on we'll add the curd. Now you can see I mixed it well. Now you can add 2 spoons of thick curd to give it a creamy texture. You need a thick curd. 2 spoons. If you feel like adding a little bit more than 2 spoons, you're free to add, but 2 spoons is more than enough. Give it a mix and let it stay for at least 20 minutes. Now you can see the mix is ready. We will let it stay for around 20 minutes. Till that time I'll get my coal and fire ready to get this on. As you can see here, I put for tandoor and it's getting ready. So I'm sorry I could not show you how I burned the coal, but it was really a hard work. But if you are with your family and want to make a lot of tandoori and stay profitable at home, you can just follow this step at home and get your tandoor ready. As you can see, it's really looking tempting. Let's see the outcome later on. The tandoori is ready. As you can see, I will remove it off. Very hot. One by one I'll get it down. As you can see, the tandoori is ready. It's nice and juicy. So while the tandoori is getting roasted, as I was saying, while roasting, apply butter because it can burn. Chicken can burn. So if you don't want your tandoor to burn, please apply butter while it's roasting on the fire. And here is a tandoor. I'll show you. As you can see, our homemade tandoori is ready. It's no more different than the restaurant, but I would like you to recommend to try it at home. Please do try the recipe and leave a comment. Thank you. Or if you want, you can melt some butter and add, as I am doing. It's really brightens the taste and texture.